Hey there folks, Mark Johnson back with another video. This week I'm excited about this one, the Google Cloud Digital Leader. Now this exam is the newest exam from Google, and let's just read a little bit about it before we go into our question. A Cloud Digital Leader can distinguish and evaluate various capabilities of Google Cloud core products and services and how they can be used to achieve desired business goals. A Google Cloud Digital Leader is well versed in basic cloud concepts and can demonstrate a broad application of cloud computing knowledge in a variety of applications. At the bottom of the screen here, you're seeing the three categories that actually break down the percentage of the questions you'll see on the exam. And there's no other GCP exam that does this currently. All of them typically you just have to go by the exam guide and learn the information. This one in particular goes on general cloud knowledge, general Google Cloud knowledge, and then Google Cloud products and services. So with that being said, let's jump into our first practice exam question. And I like this one because it's very general and it's what you can expect to see out there in the real world, in the sense that your organization offers a service to retail businesses. You give recommendations to their customers of products they might want to buy based on the past behavior. You're using machine learning tools to provide this service, now hosted in an on-premise server, but this solution is not satisfactory. You want reliable scalability, managed services, and pay-per-use pricing. What should your organization do? So let's look at A, migrate your services to more powerful computers. Now, initially, let's give an example here. I'm going to go to Dell's website, and you can see here's a PowerEdge rack server, right? And you figure, okay, why did I pick this? This is random, right? $16,000. Well, if I search on this page, I search for machine learning, and you're going to see here the purpose of this server. It's built for highly intensive GPU workloads, AI, machine learning, all that good stuff. So this is something that you could do to help your problem go away. That's one of your responses here. So that's the answer for A. Just give you an idea of like what that means by migrating your services to more powerful computers. B, migrate your services to a public cloud. Notice it doesn't say Google Cloud here, it just says public cloud. So with that being said, I'm going to go to one of Google's architecture pages here. And right here in the middle, you're going to see where it says scalability, adjusting capacity to meet demand. So scalability is a measure of a system's ability to handle everything, various amounts of work, adding, removing resources, anything from a web app, handling users, is doing all this stuff automatically. And when you look down here in the middle, compute engine, virtual machines, and Google Kubernetes engine clusters integrate with autoscalers that let you grow or shrink resource consumption based on metrics you define. So I just wanted to read that little blurb because if you go back here and you look at the actual problem here, what you're trying to solve is you want that reliability, you want reliable scalability, managed services, and pay-per-use pricing. And also when you're looking back at this page, there's also database products and Google's serverless platform that has managed compute database. So it's looking good that B is going to be the right answer here. Because when you get to C, getting more internet bandwidth, well, all that's going to do, and I just went to grab the definition from Verizon's site, is it just talking about the maximum data you could transfer. So it's just speed. So if you're wanting to just add bandwidth, that's not going to really solve this problem because all it's going to do is speed up your ability to send information and or receive information back from your customer. And then the last one, optimize your algorithms. Now, if you're thinking about optimizing your algorithms, that could be another way, I think, to help you overall once you move on the cloud, because you'll be able to fix some of your machine learning code or whatever you're using to actually, do these recommendations. But the bottom line is optimizing your algorithms is not going to give you reliable scalability, managed services, and pay-per-use pricing. So the correct answer here is B. And what I like about it, once again, I want to focus on this, is that this applies to any cloud provider. Any cloud provider can provide this, but you really want to just focus on what the problem is. And that problem is reliable scalability, managed services, and pay-per-use pricing. So right answer is B. See you in the next video.